Good morning, it is Tuesday, January 30th, so it'll just be me filming today. Both the other guys are coming in today, they're just both gonna be late. They have people doing stuff at their houses. Daniel's getting some quotes and stuff, so, you know, life happens and it interrupts stuff sometimes, so, but because Daniel's not here, I'll take his segment up with a little joke for you guys. So, what friends should you take with you to a dinner party? Your taste buds. Shh, shh, don't tell Daniel. Okay, so Saturday, I got the polishing done on the MagnaCut. So I got it all buffed now, and yeah, there we go. It is nice and shiny. See, you can see itself. It's making a fractal. Okay, so all nice and shiny. I did not get any of the handle assembly started. Saturday was a busy day, and Daniel had a half day, so Yake and I, the last half of the day, we were going. So no more knife making happen on that. So I'll get this blade taped up and start getting some 304 prepped for it. It's kind of an unusual shape you'll see as I go along. So today, priority will be getting the handle at least started, if not completely glued on to that. So in other news, we are going to be going into the showroom with our favorite person, me. Okay, so today I'm talking about well, not all, but a portion of the Civivi knives that we have that are in Damascus steel. This is a question we get asked about a lot. What do we have in Damascus? What do we recommend in Damascus? And then the conversations around what Damascus is, you know, why the prices are different, etc. So all of that. So we have some, this is the largest Civivi knife I think I've ever seen. So this is the Bahaltar. I'm probably pronouncing that wrong. But some of the cool things about this one and about the Elementum button lock. So this is the Elementum 2. So you see where this pattern stops right here. This is actually a cord Damascus. So it has the, there you go, Nita. So it has an outer laminate of Damascus, but it's got the inner core, right? So three layers. So the inner core is a homogeneous steel. So any of these will have a better cutting performance than just your standard homogeneous Damascus. Now, one of the cool things that Civivi does with their Damascus, they use two proper blade steels. So they're using 10CR 15CO MOV and 9CR 15 MOV. So that at least it's two proper blade steels to make their Damascus. With the cord stuff, they're using, oh yeah, that side's much prettier. They're using 10CR 15CO MOV as the core, and then it's a 316 and 9CR 15 MOV to actually make the Damascus. So one proper blade steel and then the super high contrast. So the 316 is the one that gets super shiny. There we go. The super shiny one is the 316. So then other things we have, so all of those Damascuses are the same, even though it's like some of them they'll buff out to where it's less dark. It's still the same blade stock. Okay, so then we have the Cogent, which is a great button lock. I really like that handle. The Mini Praxis, and like I've said before, I bought every single knife that they have in wood. The Elementum 2 button lock. This is the ODD 22. I don't know if it's supposed to say odd 22 or just numbers. Don't know. The Cogent, the button lock Praxis. So we had the original form of these, the Praxises, back in the day when they released them, but now they've updated it to be a button lock. So nice, cool one on that. The Altus, which is also a button lock, and then the Quibbit, and this is one of the few that they do. This has aluminum scales. All of these will have absolutely beautiful actions, and then three more Elementum. So Gaborsha wood, the I'm losing words, sorry. The carbon fiber overlay G10, and then one of the shards. Now we do have other shards. We have the copper and the brass as well. I just grabbed one because it's already a lot of knives. So really, that's it for today. You have any comments, questions, concerns, any of that, you know what to do. We'll see you tomorrow, and it should be both Daniel and I tomorrow.